Hey guys, 2099 here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be reviewing something I got from eBay. This is nothing to do with my channel or anything that I do and for the gameplay or anything. It's just something that I bought to help me get a little bit of stuff done more quick. So I bought this just to help me get rid of them kind of problems, and it actually seems to be working fine. And I'm actually gonna show you what it is now. This is basically a case made out of leather. We'll zoom out the camera. Let's just take a look around the thing itself. So basically it's a leather case, as you can see. I don't know if you can actually see that, but it's made out of very nice material, as you can see here. It looks quite attractive and pretty in my opinion. And I got this in dark blue, but there is a problem with the seller. I don't know what the heck is wrong with them and everything, but I'll explain that later. So I've got my computer right here plugged into it already because I don't want to take it out. It's a pain in the ass to get it in. I mean, like, let me just open it up. Now it is magnetic, as you can see, and even the back stand has like stand is magnetic. So yeah, let me just get it opened up. Now there is a little bit of noise at the background if you are gonna be hearing that, so yeah, just please don't mind it for me, thanks. So this is what happens when you basically open it up. Now the reason I bought it is because, well, it's got a keyboard on it. So as you can see, me in the middle, thanks to my crappy computer screen. So as you can see, it's got a keyboard right at the bottom, and it's basically got my computer right over here. I don't know if I'm focused right now. I am. So this is basically how you're gonna have to stick in there. Now I bought this for 8 inches because this is an 8-inch device, but the seller actually sent in the 7-inch one for some reason, and I could almost impossibly fit in there, so I had to just like really stretch it out with, I don't know why he did that, but as you can see from the side, it's got a very nice keyboard. I'll be talking about that in a bit, and it's basically my computer in there. Now a lot of people have been reviewing this product, and they've been getting issues because some people say that it doesn't work with their device or anything, but I know the problem is because the stupid reviewer doesn't know how basically it works, and I'll be explaining that because I'm a legend. So well, anyways, let me just turn it on. Now this tablet is a little bit of a dick, so I know the screen is so like reflective and everything. Let me just put my password in. Alright, well, I will be zooming out in a bit, but now for the time being I want to show you how it basically works. Well, let's move the other side. Now first you're gonna have to get it stuck in there. Now these 4 brackets here, they're basically like retractable, and I don't want to take it out of the model. Just a freaking pain to get in there because it's made for 7 inches. But I told him to send me an 8-inch one, and basically he sent me this one. I don't know what the heck is wrong with him, and well, I'd give a crap because as long as it works. And also the keyboard was supposed to be white, I saw in the picture and everything, but that's what the reason I bought it, but it came with the black one. Now there are a lot of colors you can get for it. Blue, blue, this one, the light blue, there's red, there's black, there's full white, which looks a bit gray and everything, all like colors, but I like the blue one, so I got the blue one. Now over here it's got a micro USB cable. I don't know if you can see this. Let me just bring it close to the camera. Alright, see this cable here, this one, right? Micro USB cable in it, this cable, man. So that's basically the cable it comes with, and it basically is a OTG cable, simple as. Now there's a problem with this as well, because in the picture of the item I actually saw a normal USB 2.0 cable. Come on guys, that kind of crap, like the same as USB in 3 and all that. And the reason I bought that is because I was gonna stick a hub in it and also plug a mouse in it, so it'll be like a tiny little laptop I've got. But it came with this piece of crap, and I don't really like that because I didn't really want that. And I was about to buy another mouse, a tiny one, but now forget it. Now I was about to buy it. Luckily I didn't buy it. Anyways, let's talk a little bit more about the keyboard. So that's basically how it connects. I'm going to tell you about that a little bit later on. Let me just talk about the keyboard here. So move that out of the way, turn it off actually, wasting parties. Now the keyboard itself is pretty traditional. Let me just try to zoom in if I can. That's alright, I guess. Alright, well, as you can see here, it's very nice and actually flat keyboard. They've actually fit the whole circuit board into this thin cover kind of thing, and it actually goes all the way around up here, all the way down to the little corners over here. and that basically just comes out from there, the USB cable, and you can connect it with your stupid tablet or whatever. It also comes with the stylus, but the stylus is like freaking not even a stylus, it's just a fake little piece of crap. It's basically all plastic, and I don't know how the heck is it, how the heck do you expect it to touch the screen unless it's a resistive touch screen, like the one on Nintendo's DS is. But this one is basically made for scratching the screen, and it doesn't work with this, so I basically threw in the bin because I didn't need it. And he also came with another one which doesn't work properly, so I threw that one in the bin as well. Anyways, I already had one and I don't like them. So well, as you can see here, over here, it's got 3 LEDs, the number lock, the scroll lock, and the, I don't know where it is, the caps lock. Now they do turn on whenever you press the buttons. There are ones over here, here, and here. I don't know if you can read that, but I seem to be able to read that fine. Now it's basically got all the keyboards, all the keys you need, not exactly all of them, but if the ones that are supposed to be on the side, the number part, he basically stuck them on into the, he's assigned 2 keys to one button, I mean 2 letters to like 1 key and everything. So as you can see, it's a QWERTY keyboard, it's fully functional. Now the feedback on it is like actually quite good. I actually like the feedback, it's like very professionally made and everything. Now the thing I don't like about it is a little bit smaller than I thought, and it depends on the position that you're actually gonna sit on if you're gonna get a good experience with it or not. But I don't know. I don't really give a crap, because as long as it works, it makes my typing much more easier on a crappy touchscreen that Apple has invented for all slot. I know some people like touchscreen, but I completely hate touchscreen. I just don't like them. That's why I don't basically get touchscreen phones. So let me just basically plug it in and show you how it works a little bit. So once you turn it on, alright, so once you turn it on, you wanna make sure that your device supports OTG cables. That basically means it allows you to actually transfer data and everything. You know, you can stick a hard drive in or anything, USB and mouse and anything. Now you can actually get adapters for this. If you get a USB cable for this thing, like instead of this you get a USB cable, you can get adapters for changing it and everything like that. But since we don't really get that, he's given us this, which is alright with me anyways. So this basically goes at the side of this because mine's over here. Now make sure your device actually supports OTG, because if it doesn't, then it won't work. That's basically the reason it's not working. Now this tablet is a little bit of a pain to use. I don't know if it actually recognized it. Here it has. Alright, well, everything works basically. You can just like press that, start typing, everything's gonna work. Now I know you can't see it, but I'll zoom in for that later on. I just want to show you some of the other features that it's got. So on the top LEDs over here, I don't know if you can actually see these, but if I turn them on, how the hell do you turn that one on? As you can see, they were all lit up. Right, they're all off now. So it works perfectly fine, just like you would on any tablet. And now this case is made for Android tablets, but I don't know why it is, because Android is not supposed to be as good as these kind of PCs do, because these are actually optimized for it. Now let me just zoom out a little bit and alright, so now I'm gonna basically show you how it actually works. I'm gonna pop up a notepad over here, and I'm basically gonna start typing. Actually not on this is crap. I want to go to this. Alright, so I basically popped up WordPad. I don't know if it's any good or not, but seems to work fine with me. Just to make the text bigger so you can read it, I'm actually gonna make it bigger now. Alright, I just made the text bigger so you can actually read it because of the reflective screen and everything like that. I'm just gonna start typing here now. I'm not in the best position that I can ever be to start typing perfectly and everything, but it seems to be working. You know, just for a demo, I'm actually gonna show you how I can type on it. So basically, now it is a bit of a small keyboard. What the heck? It is a small keyboard, so I can't really type on it at the moment. I'm just gonna have to get used to it for the time being, and but actually it works fine. Everything is like fully working. If I want to close this, cancel it, you know, everything works fine. Even the Windows key works fine. So as you can see, everything works now. There is something that I was worried about, but there's actually a fix to that. Now, since Windows 8 has already has a capability built in, now let me just go to it. First, you go into your folder, this PC kind of thing. You open Control Panel. You want to go to ease of use, ease of access, and over here it actually says change how your keyboard works. Now, if you go on that, there's an option here. I actually want to zoom in over here, if you guys don't mind. Now there is an option here as you can read, that use the number keys, actually the number pad for the mouse button. So that basically means it's gonna act as your mouse. So let me just click setup. I don't know why the hell I'm going there. So when you jump into this, you can actually change like the speed and everything on how it's actually gonna work. Now you guys come here and basically set it up and enable this, because if you want something, or if you are using a tablet PC like mine, you're gonna actually love this. Now I already set it up, so I'm just gonna go back and I'm actually gonna show you how that works. That basically means you don't have to plug a mouse in on this thing, because it's already got the number pads over here. So if I press the number key, it's actually gonna make a sound too, because I'll actually put the sound on. So see, it actually makes this duplicate a mouse. As you can see, there's a mouse pointer on my screen. If you can see that, I will zoom in and show you. But the number key is actually used much like arrow keys, and the 5 is just acted as a the right click, the left click actually, and that's basically the right click down here. I don't know why I do that, but the 4 is for left, 6 is for right, 8 is for up, and 2 is for down. Basically controls your cursor. And I was actually worried about that because it didn't come with the USB hub. I was gonna stick a mouse in. It's always better with a mouse, but this thing will actually simulate the I don't know, I'm just not used to it. I've got it on the fastest speed and it's actually doing fine at the moment. Let me just go on something here, like now the 7 and 9 and 1 and 3 keys, they actually used to go horizontal ways, like in a cross. So if I press the number 5 2 times, it's basically gonna act as a mouse. I'll zoom in and show you that later on in a bit. So let me just go out. Now it's not perfect, but it's actually quite symmetrical and everything. Alright, so now I'm gonna basically zoom in and show you the mouse moving around. For all the guys who've been on a small screen watching this video and all that, you should be able to see it right over here. As you can see, I'm pressing the buttons and it's actually moving the mouse. 7 does this, 1 does that, 4 goes to the left, 6 goes to the right, 9 goes diagonal upwards, and 3 basically goes down. It's simple. Let me just show you how 5 works. So basically go over to any folder that you've got right here. I don't know if it's focused, is it? A little bit of crap. Let me just go to anything actually. Go to not Sony Vegas. Right, I'm gonna go into these installers. I'm gonna open that, double press 5 and it basically opens the folder. Alright, so as you can see, that thing is actually quite nice, but you can always use touchscreen. Now as much as I like it, I'm not really gonna use that because I've got that application over here. Basically that is a mouse touch application. Now let me just take the lens off because I don't need it. So for you guys who actually have a tablet PC, you can actually get a mouse touch pointer actually application that will actually help you basically use your touch screen as a mouse pointer, but it doesn't work on the start menu though. So yeah, keep that in mind. But other than that, it actually is better than the keyboard. So yeah, that's actually just a test. I'm just gonna show you once again. I'm gonna be typing some paragraphs here. Select the all of these. Alright, I just need to get used to this keyboard. It's actually quite fun to actually use it. I don't know if you can read that, but I don't really need you to at the moment. Alright, so I'll be writing some little bit of paragraph just to end this video. Everything's gonna be on the screen in a bit if you're gonna be able to read that. So I've been typing all this just using the keyboard. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Like if you enjoyed this video. I've messed it up over here. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to share this video and I'll see you next time. Messed up there too. But yeah, I guess that's it for this video. Bye.